In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Jupyter Notebook after you finish work. First, open Jupyter in your web browser so you're on the main file browser page, sometimes called the Home or Files view. This is where you can see your folders and notebook files. Navigate to the folder where your project lives. Next, open your notebook by clicking the file with the IPYNB extension. It will load in a new tab or the same window with the toolbar at the top. Give it a second to fully load so the menu bar and kernel status appear. If you've just finished editing or running cells, it's a good idea to make sure the kernel indicator isn't busy before you save, so everything writes cleanly. Now, move to the top menu and click File to open the dropdown. From here, choose Save to write all current changes in this notebook to disk. You may see a brief saving message followed by an updated checkpoint note. That means your code cells, markdown, text, and outputs are safely stored in the notebook file. If you have more than one notebook or editor tab open, you can instead choose Save All. This saves every open document in your session in one click, which is especially helpful when you've been switching between files. To confirm, go back to the file browser view. You should see your notebook listed in the folder with a recent last modified time. That timestamp is a quick way to verify the save completed. If you organized your work into subfolders, check inside the appropriate folder to find the saved file there. That's it. Open Jupyter, open your notebook, use File, then Save or Save All if you're working across multiple files, and then confirm the updated file in your folder. Building the habit of saving at the end of a work session helps protect your progress before you close the tab or shut down your environment.